So now we are south of the North Platte River, and this is Jail Rock. They could see this about 5 miles north when they traveled along the North Platte River. It's a sandstone formation. And then over here we have Courthouse Rock. They just thought it looked like a courthouse, so they gave it that name. But again, they could see it 5 miles north of here, and it was a landmark, so they knew that they were on the right path and that they were headed west. And so the next mark's going to pan around to his right, and you can see looking north. You might notice how smoky the sky looks. That's because there's Colorado fires and California fires. It was blue 2 days ago when we were in Kansas, and now it's smoky gray. How far smoke can drift. So if you look out at the tree line, let's see if I can do it. Thanks. If you look out at the tree line there, that's where the North Platte River is. So like I said, that's about 5 miles in the distance. All right, stay tuned for the next stop, Chimney Rock.